Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a critical topic for all property investors out there. Why now might not be the best time to sell your investment property. Be sure to check out our complimentary video, which talks about the top 5 reasons it is time to sell with our business development manager, Chris Knight. Now, while there are times where you should or must sell, in most cases, I believe it makes complete sense to hang on to every bit of real estate you own for as long as you possibly can. The market is hot and it's a seller's market, no doubt about it. Lots of investors we are talking to are thinking about selling their investment homes. If you're considering cashing in on your real estate investments, here are 5 compelling reasons to hold off and 5 reasons why I am personally not selling, even though it's a seller's market. Let's get started. Reason number 1, hedge against inflation. First up, let's talk about inflation. Inflation is a huge reality in our economic landscape. As inflation rises, the cost of living increases. But the beautiful thing is that as a landlord, rents also increase as the cost of living increases, but your mortgage payment stays the same. This means that the rental income from your property can increase to match the rising cost of living. For instance, if inflation causes prices to go up by 3% annually, your rental income can also rise, maintaining your purchasing power and steadily increasing your monthly cash flow. Selling now would mean missing out on this potential for increased income, especially in an inflationary environment. Holding onto your property can help you stay ahead of inflation and continue to grow your wealth. Reason number 2, tax benefits. Let's discuss the tax benefits associated with holding onto your investment home. Real estate investments come with several attractive tax advantages. One of the most significant benefits is depreciation. Depreciation allows you to deduct a portion of the property's value from your taxable income each year, reducing your tax liability. If you want to get a little more sophisticated, you can perform a cost segregation study and utilize accelerated depreciation to accelerate your tax deductions even further. Additionally, when you decide to sell, you can defer capital gains through strategies like 1031 exchanges. This allows you to reinvest the proceeds into another property without paying taxes on the gains right away. There are also investments called opportunity zones, which can be another strategy to defer or even eliminate your tax liability. The tax advantages of owning real estate are almost limitless. If you don't want to sell in 1031, you can always refinance to liquidate some of the equity you have built up in your investment. There's an old saying in real estate, refi until you die. The idea here is that you never sell because you never want to trigger a taxable event. Pull out the equity with the refinance and never pay taxes on the sale of your investment home. The tax benefits can significantly enhance your financial returns, making it more advantageous to hold on to your property rather than selling it now. Reason number 3, financial return opportunity. Real estate provides relatively low risk financial return opportunities. Unlike the stock market, which can be volatile and unpredictable, real estate investments tend to be more stable. Property values and rental incomes usually appreciate over time, offering consistent and reliable returns. Let's consider a scenario. If you hold onto a property for the next 10 years, you could see a substantial appreciation in its value. Let's say you purchased a home for $350,000. That's a very realistic price point here in Indianapolis. Now, let's assume you see an average of a 5% appreciation over the next 10 years. At the end of this 10 years, your investment home will be worth $570,000. That's another $220,000 of value you would be passing up on if you sold your home now. Additionally, the rental income you receive during this period will provide steady cash flow. Not to mention, during those years, you have someone else paying down your mortgage. Selling now could mean losing out on these long-term gains and the financial security they offer. Reason number 4, transaction costs of selling. Selling a property involves considerable transaction costs that can quickly add up. You have to pay realtor commissions, which typically range from 3 to 6% of the selling price. There's also closing costs, which can include transfer taxes, title insurance, attorney's fees, the list goes on and on. On top of that, if you've owned a property for a significant period, you may face capital gains tax on the profit of the sale. These expenses can eat into your profits and reduce the overall financial benefit of selling. By holding onto your property, you avoid all of these costs and continue to benefit from your investment. Let's not forget about the potential costs associated with prepping your property for sale, such as repairs, staging, and marketing expenses. These also can diminish your net proceeds from the sale. Reason number 5, legacy building. Finally, let's talk about legacy building. Real estate can be a powerful tool for creating generational wealth. By holding onto your investment property, you can pass it down to your heirs, providing them with a valuable asset. This legacy can offer long-term financial security for your family. Imagine leaving a fully paid off property to your children or grandchildren. It can provide them with rental income, a place to live, or even an opportunity to leverage it for further investment. Real estate has the potential to appreciate over time, meaning the value of the property you pass down could be significantly higher than the current value. This can be a cornerstone of your family's financial future and lasting legacy. So, in conclusion, while selling your investment property might seem tempting, these 5 reasons highlight why it might be more beneficial to hold on to it for now. From hedging against inflation to building a legacy, the advantages of keeping your property typically outweigh the immediate gains of selling. Remember, real estate is a long-term investment that can provide stability, growth, and financial security. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any questions you might have. Until next time, happy investing.